This isn't a film. These are the real moments where an ordinary flight suddenly becomes a life or death emergency. Every clip you're about to see is authentic, captured from the cockpit, the cabin, and the ground below. Watch until the end and tell us which moment made you stop breathing. Viewer discretion is advised. September 8, 2022, ACSA Piper Sport went down at Santa Monica Airport in California. The aircraft was completely destroyed in the crash and the fire that followed. Sadly, both the pilot and the passenger lost their lives. August 24, 2023, at St. Barthélemy Airport, a twin otter coming downhill for landing couldn't stop in time. It veered off the runway and slammed into a parked helicopter near the apron. Both aircraft suffered major damage, and the airport was shut down briefly while crews secured the area and investigators arrived. August 5, 2017, a U.S. Marine Corps MV-22 crashed into the sea near Shoalwater Bay, Queensland, while attempting to land on the USS Green Bay LPD-20. 23 Marines were rescued. 3 did not survive. September 23, 2023. At GAO International Airport in Mali, a Malian Air Force IL-76, registered TDI-TSI-98, overshot the runway during landing and erupted into a massive fuel-fed fire. December 15, 2022. At NASJRB Fort Worth, attempting a vertical landing bounced, pitched forward, and forced the pilot to eject at very low altitude. The jet skidded to a stop on the runway with severe damage. The pilot survived and was later discharged from the hospital.
Oh shit! Oh shit!